One of those old wives' tales, if you will, is waking them up every hour. Well, that's absolutely ridiculous. They need sleep. Sleep is how we recover. Assuming that there's no overt symptoms that would cause you to be concerned that you should go to the emergency room, the person's going to be tired. The amount of energy that the brain takes on a regular basis is a lot. When it's been injured, it takes even more energy. We need to let people sleep a reasonable amount without waking them up. But we need to also start to get back to exercise, aerobic type of exercise under controlled conditions quickly within 24, 48 hours. So you don't want to be waking them up. That does nothing. The body uses sleep to recover, but then we also need to temper that with that exercise. They work together. And so we've got to be able to balance that when we're dealing with a concussion or a head injury.